discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Woo. I just wanted to see how the sub looked. Very nice. Awesome. Sorry about that. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
My name's Pete. I have 4 15-inch SP4 pluses, V2s, 2 V2 Ospreys.
Okay. Nice. What's the tune to?
33.
33. Did you extend the port, or was it like that at the start?
What's that?
Did you extend the port?
It's extended out because I still want to be able to put the seat back a little bit.
That's a good idea.
So I want to port, you know.
Got it. Yes, sir. I like it. Nice. Did you ever meter it?
Not this exact setup.
Okay.
I metered it when I had ZV5s in here and also 159.
Wow. So you probably broke a 60 now with these.
I gotta play with the port a little bit.
Yes, sir. I like this. This is cool. This is different.
Yep.
Is it like, is you building it like?
Yep, I made it all myself.
Wow.
Yep.
I like
I still
that.
have a little cubby hole,
Sweet.
cup holder, and my tents.
Nice. I like it.
Thank you.
Whew. Really good turnout show this year.
Yeah. Well, it's my first time here. I came from Detroit.
Detroit? Okay.
Yep.
We drove about 6 hours for us. Detroit's pretty far.
What's that?
We came from Savannah, Georgia about 5-6 hours.
Okay.
Where's Detroit? How far?
Detroit, it took me about 17 hours.
17. Woo! It's a good turnout. It was a lot bigger this year than last year.
Okay, cool.
Yes, sir.
I like this show.
It's a good show.
Going on, everybody? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Pete system. Looking forward to showing you all a demo of this. He was showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021 at the Tampa, Florida area for the show location. Really impressive and clean install. I didn't find out exactly how much lithium bank this is, but there is a big bank to support this powerful system. 4 15-inch subs walled in a truck. Was really impressed to see the amount of X-Max these SP4 Plus system subs were doing. You'll see. And the way he has this port is really unique. If you extend the port out just a little bit, will actually optimize for cone control and playing a little bit lower. If anybody ever wanted to try to play lower, extending your port helps that sometimes. Just depends on the vehicle, cabin, and system. And if you notice the way he has the seats, they actually get blocked off from that port so they don't hit the subs. And that's always a worry when I get in systems. I make sure the seats are not touching the subwoofers so that way we don't have any kind of punctures or problems with the subs blowing, because it's never fun. And these amplifiers, wish I would have found out what they were wired at. Let's just go ahead and assume they're at 1 ohm each per 2 set of subs. So we're getting to the demo now. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos coming your way every day on YouTube, Jacob Vile, and enjoy this demo.
help you. Nobody see shit. I can get you.
Woo! Really musical.
Thank you.
Man, what's your peak at? That was 32. Okay.
Yeah.
Down there? 32?
Yeah. It's
Very nice.
right about where I'm at.
I like this. This is cool. This is different.
Yep.
Is it like, did you build it like?
Yeah, I made it all myself.
Wow. I
I
like
also
that.
have a little cubby hole,
Sweet.
cup holder, and my tent.
Nice. I like it, man. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you again.
Thank you.
You have a good day, man.
Thank you.
You have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.